You won't believe this. 1 can of tuna, 1 cabbage, and 10 minutes on the stove? That's literally it. No fancy prep, no long ingredient list, just pure comfort in a clay pot. Stick around, because this might just become your new favorite lazy day meal. Let's get into it. Grab your clay pot. And here's a little tip. We're not turning on the heat just yet. First, pour in the oil from your canned tuna right into the pot. Don't waste that oil. It's packed with flavor, and it's going to be the base of everything. Next, layer in your chopped cabbage right on top of that oil. Then place your tuna over the cabbage and scatter your fresh green beans on top of that. Now sprinkle in your minced garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Here's the fun part. Only now do we turn on the heat. Medium flame, cover your pot with the lid, and let it cook gently for about 10 minutes. The clay pot does all the work here. It steams everything together, and the cabbage just soaks up all that tuna flavor. No stirring needed, just let it do its thing. Once your timer's up, take off the lid, give everything a good mix, and look at that! Simple, wholesome, and ready to serve. Honestly, this is one of those recipes you'll come back to again and again, especially on those nights when you don't feel like cooking, but still want something homemade and satisfying. If you try this, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you're craving more easy, budget-friendly recipes like this one, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because trust me, there's a lot more where this came from. See you in the next video!